Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on YFII token. In my previous video, I was showing you this ascending triangle. And unfortunately, if we take a look at the live chart, then we can see that the price line has broken down the support of this triangle. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move and we will once again take a look at this breakout from this down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my last trade signal of YFII token that I shared, by the way, in the month of August 2022 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that YFII token formed with US dollar pair on the daily time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very massive price reversal from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, more than 400% rally on this daily time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line was moving inside this down channel. We broke it down, and then we had a very, very big drop and formed a double bottom at this support of $330 and moved up and broke out the same resistance of the channel that was previously broken down, but could not continue its move to the upside, rejected by this resistance of $2,370 and re-entered the same channel. And after a struggle of several weeks, the price line again broke out the resistance of the same channel. And then we had a nice rally that was almost up to $4,300. And the price line again moved down. And now we are breaking down this very long-term support finally that we have here at $1,150. And at the same time, the price line has also broken down this ascending triangle as well that I was showing you in my previous video. And after the breakout from this triangle, now the target for this breakdown to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $886. And in my point of view, the price line can even slightly drop more than that target up to $850 to test this long-term support. Now, if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we can see that after breaking down this triangle, the price line has formed another falling wedge pattern. We have found a down trend line support. You can see we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And if I place this trend line here, then you can see that this is the downtrend line support, and we have several rejections by this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And for the past several days, the price line is trying to break out this resistance of the wedge. And the good thing over here is that we are testing the resistance more than the support, and the more we test the resistance, the more there are chances for the breakout. Now, for example, if the price line breaks down this wedge, then the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $936. And in my point of view, in that situation, it can also hit the target for the breakdown from this bigger triangle as well. That is approximately at 860 or $50. And in case of breaking out this wedge, the target to the upside can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $1,230. And in that situation, this support will be recovered and the price line will be moved above this support of $1,150. And there will be a very high probability that we may have a closing, a weekly closing above this resistance, this support of $1,150. Therefore, the next few hours can be really very important. The weekly candlestick is about to close and we have formed this falling wedge pattern. If the price line breaks out this falling wedge pattern, then it can be a very, very big price recovery for the price line and even this recovery of this support as well. And by the way, the final target for this breakout from this big channel, that move is still due. That is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $8,000 from $7,500 to $8,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.